Queenie, if you understand yourself as a big woman, if you respect yourself as a big woman, Queenie, you move like an uncle careless girl.
And bless up everybody who had check out the channel for the first time and all of the returning viewers, them and subscriber them. Just go and bless up on yourself, you see. Most people by now that know that for them relationship, so yo, for them relationship is a difficult relationship, you see me, Dewey and Queenie. So Dr. Love forward and I speak in mind. And touch some very important point, you see it? Yeah man, so if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it, you don't know. Everybody I go and say what they want to say, you see it, but for them thing, but I Dewey and Queenie life, you see it, Dewey must know where my face when in the round Queenie. You see it when take for himself and Queenie must know why she acts certain way upon Dewey sometime. But I'm not telling a lie. Or Queenie act as a woman. If I meet with Queenie, I won't stay so long with Queenie. John no star, you see it. And you don't know me can say, I don't know how Dewey act still, but you don't know Dewey have him girl them and them thing there. You don't know. I don't say nothing more, yeah, man.
Right? You move like some cup. Like a woman will never have a man before. Control yourself, mama. Control yourself. You're not tired of balling over a man and a ball over here and a man don't care about you. Control yourself, man. And stop coming on every minute about doing this and you have venture. Love it alone, man. Love it alone. Leave it alone, you're a big woman. Eh? You're a big old woman, you're twice the age. Right? You're a big old woman, Queen. A big woman, you live your 3 strokes. Me a 41. Right? Me a 41. And me look like me a 42 and 45 because me run business and me grew up. But Queen, you're older than me, man. And some of we old people don't understand. So find a EH paper and make it work, man. Low do it alone, man. That make do it bring you down. Because you know what you do now. First of all, Queenie, you know, you're working on the music. You know what you do to yourself? Even if a company they want to take you up and brand you and use you to be an ambassador for them company, they not take you up again because you bring yourself to a level. You have damaged your own finance. You damage your own platform because of a little careless boy we can't even. Cannot even. Do you ever go at the store, go buy your enema buy? You ever send Dewey go to it, say, alright, Dewey, me have a problem, I go buy a pad yet? Do you ever buy a panty yet? Do you ever buy a suit of clothes? Think about all that thing when I say to you, Queenie. Do you ever give money for you do your year yet? You finance yourself and a finance do it. And then you make young boy come class and this and you contract. Come on, man, get yourself, man. Get yourself together. Every time you travel from Virgin Atlantic go to Jamaica, do you ever buy a ticket? When do you go to England, who buy do a ticket? Come on every day and boss, say, I want my husband, but don't entertain her because when you reach to the level and start disrespect her, then we there. It's not right. It's not right, brother, me tell you the truth. And if me never know what me know, me couldn't say what me say. Me tell on the people. When you hear Queenie a girl with something, me not like, me discuss with Queenie with some things what she has say. But a vent, she a vent. And she could have deal with the venting on a different level. And she could have deal with the respect on a different level. Queenie can't come up on the internet and say, boy, well, Dr. Lover talk a lie, I tell and Dr. Lover hear this. No, me know things. Because me and Queenie talk before. And the relationship, literally, it can't fix, it can't mend. There's no billing a Queenie and do it. And Queenie, let me tell you something too. You another one too. Let me tell you about you, Queenie. You need to get a hold of yourself. Because you act like say this is news to you. You act like say boy this is something just happen like this, Queen. Get a hold of your damn self, man. Get a hold of yourself and move on. Get a hold of yourself, Queenie, and move on from it. Left it alone and move on. If you want to go in your church, go in your church. If you want to vent and say you love your husband, left the argument alone because you know the problem you and Dewey had from long time. You know how Dewey was. And you know you got through with you and Dewey. Me know and you know. You feel me? The downtime and the uptime, Queenie. The sacrifice where you make. Nobody can cry wolf no one talk about this house, but left it alone and load the people and we will lead you and I tell you things when I really mean you no good, Queenie. Leave it alone and just done the argument. And make it just do what's Dewey and make Dewey go on and wait to whatever it is. Stop run down Dewey because Dewey now gonna give you what you want. Queenie, Dewey can't bring nothing to the table to you. Dewey cannot make you put on a good night dinner. I mean, this Dewey and I say, boy, do it. But Dewey cannot even buy a car and put it in a Queenie. Dewey cannot even give a vacation. Dewey is not working. When you can't Dewey go to England and get job for Dewey and Dewey a work and you can't go to work. You was raising a kid in a pram, a kid in a car seat. And the kid in a car seat don't understand, say, there's a nipple back where you get milk in a. Drink your milk and be calm and make it be what it is. You was raising a baby. You take a baby out of the daycare center. Right? And Queenie, the problem with Queenie, when you look into it, you live in England. And everybody look at you and you say, you run down, do your husband and all that and so forth. Alright, if we supposed to split justice and talk the truth, Queenie, Dewey is no husband from day one. You and Dewey meet and Dewey and you get caught up in night and Dewey say opportunity and figure say it was what it is and all that. And Dewey you know, Dewey you welcome eat that too. And you make it bad for people because first of all, you find a woman who can make you make money. A woman who open door where you can use the opportunity to make money. And you turn around and make this little flyby on them. Lead the Austria. And all the women that can give you sneakers and clothes. I want a bed. You don't even have a bed. You don't even have a bed. Woman come to Jamaica buy car. Rent. For put on the road for you can drive and make a money. I'm telling you some of the boy you know so. Some of the boy you so look you find a woman with a foreign who can buy a car, put on the road for you and I make money, and you turn around and make them fly by night, piss me night, lead the astray that you damage what you have. All you left from car, opportunity, and gonna sneakers and clothes. Eh? All you reach that's all. That you give up all of the big picture and get the small picture. Yes, yes. Eh? You need to find yourself back in one of them basic school or something like because you know even if you use the woman, you could have used the woman in a different way and deal with her on a different level and say, alright. And mama reach her, so you know. Mama say Queenie already have a name, you know. Queenie already have a name. Queenie is a money maker. You're not a money maker. The only reason why you're gonna make $1 because of Queenie why you make $1. I have to understand that Queenie find you and Queenie figure say boy that's the end of the world, so Queenie just work with you. You feel me? And look into it now. From Jamaica to England, you go there, Canada you're there. And you never have a respect, you never have look without respect for the woman. Then you talk about your father say, your mother say, your cousin say, your baby mother say, your friend say, your this say. That I probably don't know enough for no man, no make no friend tell you what to do. When feed them life no better than for no. You feel me? None of them no better, none of your friends then will lead you. You understand? You better quit the tip of the visa and give to somebody else. I swear to God. Because it's a waste of our part. Listen. Listen to this. Dewey is the example of a young boy. Example. I mean, I tell you why Dewey is the hottest example. You can't get the key to the city and turn around and settle for less when you can settle for more. You have pound, you reach England, Dewey can buy a plane ticket. Dewey can't even buy a plane ticket. Every time Dewey go to England, a Queenie buy a ticket. You understand? Queenie take Dewey out of the daycare center. Take Dewey from watching when Big Bird and Teletubby and playing with Dora or Thomas the Choo Choo Chain. What the other one name? What the other one name? What the other cartoon name? I forgot what you call. Queenie take Dewey out of the daycare center. Right? And decides, alright, I'm going to take that baby out of the daycare center. I'm going to carry that baby here. I'm going to say I can give that baby a good milk. And say I can feed that baby. If we can buy that baby some clothes. Now take the baby out of the daycare center because the baby having lunch pan at daytime and him not nothing in a lunch pan. The baby he might come a daycare center in a diaper, and when in diaper full then have enough diaper for change him because in parents are sending him with enough diaper come a daycare center. You understand? And Queenie take him out of the daycare center and say, I'm going to send him go one better daycare center. I'm going to get a personal nanny for him. And after Queenie take him out of the daycare center, as soon as he start drink better milk, start wear clothes, have whole diaper for wear, he start get hype and he start on a different level. All of a sudden now, Queenie becomes this beast and becomes this dangerous something. I tell you, some of the boy, man, some of the boy, he must young boy there in Jamaica. You go to the road and you go sleep with that some of the women without condom, with all of that. And then you sit down and class your wife and chat your wife with these little fly-by night them. And tell them how your woman this and all of that, and tell them about your woman private parts and how she look, and how she carry on and all that. You go sit down there. Yeah, dog, come on, dog. You know make it, man. You're not right, man. You're not too right in your head, man. You need to go back to kindergarten, brother. And God no like what do. And Queen, you have to understand yourself.